Hello, my dear friends. Today we will discuss credit control function by RBI. RBI is empowered to regulate the money supply in the economy through its monetary policy. What is monetary policy? Monetary policy is the policy to control the supply of money in the economy. What is the aim of monetary policy? To correct the situation of inflation and deflation in the economy. Instruments of credit control. There are two instruments, quantitative instruments and qualitative instruments. Quantitative instruments, number one, policy rates, bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate. Policy ratios, CRR, SLR. Number three, open market operations. Qualitative measures includes margin requirements, rationing of credit, moral suasion. Now we will discuss bank rate. Bank rate refers to the rate of interest at which RBI lends money to the commercial banks. In the case of inflation, bank rate is increased. It leads to increase in the interest rate. When interest rate increases, then credit becomes costly. Demand for credit by household and investors reduced. Then less money flows to the economy. Purchasing power is reduced. So problem of inflation is corrected. In the case of deflation, bank rate is decreased. It leads to the decrease in interest rate. Credit becomes cheaper. Then demand for credit is increased. More money flows to the economy. Purchasing power is increased. So problem of deflation is corrected. Yes, friends, repo rate, the rate at which the RBI offers short period loans to commercial banks. By buying government securities in the open market, it is a repurchase rate. You can give same explanation as bank rate. At the time of inflation, repo rate is increased. During deflation, repo rate is decreased. Yes, friends, reverse repo rate, the rate at which the RBI accepts deposit from the commercial banks through government securities. It is a reverse repurchase rate. A reverse repurchase agreement is signed by both the parties, stating that securities will be repurchased on a given date at a predetermined price. Reverse repo rate allows the commercial banks to generate interest income. Yes, friends, during inflation, reverse repo rate is increased. During deflation, reverse repo rate is decreased. Now we will discuss CRR, cash reserve ratio. It refers to the minimum percentage of a bank's total deposits required to be kept with RBI. During inflation, CRR is increased. Central bank soaks, withdraws additional purchasing power in the economy. There will be contraction of credit. So less money supply will flow in the economy. So inflation is controlled. Same as in deflation, there is a vice versa. If there is a deflation, CRR is decreased. Central bank injects the additional purchasing power in the economy. There will be a expansion of credit. More money supply will flow in the economy. Deflation is controlled. Statutory liquidity ratio. It refers to liquid assets of the commercial banks which they are required to maintain as a minimum percentage of their total deposits. Same explanation as CRR. SLR is increased during inflation. rise in liquid assets to be held by the commercial banks with themselves. Then there will be fall in availability of funds for CR deposits with RBI. There will be contraction of credit, so less money supply, problem of inflation is corrected, vice versa in the case of deflation. Yes, friends. Now we will discuss the role of open market operations. Open market operations refers to buying and selling of bonds issued by government in the open market. This purchase and sale is entrusted to the central bank on behalf of the government. When RBI buys a government bond in the open market, it pays for it by giving a check. The check increases the total amount of reserves in the economy and increases the money supply. Or selling of a bond by RBI leads to reduction in quantity of reserves, hence the money supply. So we will discuss in a simple manner. During inflation, when RBI wants to decrease the money supply, government securities are sold by the central bank in the open market. Central bank withdraws additional purchasing power. This will be contracted or credit. Less money flows to the economy. Purchasing power is curtailed, decreased. Inflation is controlled. During deflation, you will say government securities are purchased by the central bank in the open market. Then again, central bank provides additional purchasing power, leads to extension of credit, more money flows to economy, more purchasing power, then problem of deflation is curtailed. Yes, friends, now we will discuss qualitative instruments. One is margin requirements. It is the difference between value of a security offered for loan and actual value of loan granted. Yes, friends, if we take an example, if we give security of 1000 rupees to bank will give loan of 800. What is the margin? 200 rupees. So, margin requirements are increased during inflation. If RBI wants to decrease money supply in the economy, central bank increases margin. Banks can now give less credit, less money flows in the economy. Or if RBI want to increase money supply in the economy, it means there is a problem of deflation. Central bank decreases margin. Banks can now give more credit. More money flows in the economy. Problem of deflation is curtailed, is controlled. Yes, friends, these are the measures of credit control by RBI, the Central Bank of India. So, Unit 2 is completed, but there are some questions related to this topic just for general knowledge, like demonetization was a new initiative taken by the Government of India in November 2016 to tackle the problem of corruption, black money, terrorism, circulation of fake currency in the economy. Old currency notes of 500 and 1000 were no longer legal tender. New currency notes in denomination of 500 and 2000 were launched. Yes, friends. In 2000, new rupee sign was officially adopted. It was designed by Uday Kumar. The 1 rupee note is issued by Ministry of Finance and it bears the signature of Finance Secretary. Other notes, except 1 rupee note, bear the signature of Governor of RBI? These questions may be asked in the exam. Thank you.